When it comes to advertising on Facebook, you're either going to be utilizing static images or video content. And I already have a video on my channel on the top 5 static image creatives that you can utilize for Facebook ads. But in today's video, we're gonna go ahead and break down the top 5 Facebook video ad creatives you can be utilizing for your e-commerce brand. So before we go ahead and dive in, guys, if you could go ahead and drop a like quickly, really helps with the algorithm. Subscribe if you'd like. And as always, if you're interested in working with myself or my team, link in the description. But let's go ahead and dive on in. Okay, guys, so we're going to start with a very simple video. Number 1, right, the best performing Facebook video ad creative you can use is just generic user generated content where you're presenting a problem and you're positioning your brand or your product as the solution. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a quick example. Just give this quick little refresh here.
If it's not a Lola blanket, then I don't want it. I have a serious problem with always being cold, and I could never find the perfect blanket until I discovered Lola Blankets. Lola Blankets is having their biggest sale of the year where everything is 50% off from August 18th to August 21st. Not to mention, you get this adorable little mini naughty pillow and free shipping. There are so many adorable styles to choose from, and they are made with this luxurious material that you will never want to take off your body. You have to run to grab your Lola Blankets before the sale ends.
So why does this video perform well, guys? Well, number 1, let's break it down. So this is a very simple piece of user-generated content made to seem that this is coming from a customer, right? And we're actually just positioning the sale. So really strong hook here.
If it's not a Lola blanket, then I don't want it.
It's not a Lola blanket, I don't want it.
Serious problem with
And then she presents the problem.
being cold, and I could never find
What she's tried before, right? She could never find the perfect solution
until I discovered
until she came across Lola Blankets.
Lola Blankets is having
This is what the solution is, right? It's the discount on a sale.
here where everything is 50% off from August 18th to August 21st. Not to mention
And then an additional call to action with a free shipping offer. And then we're actually showcasing the website so people can get an idea of what they're going to be looking at.
little mini naughty pillow and free shipping. There are so many adorable styles to choose from, and they are made with this luxurious material that you will never want to take off your body. You have to run to grab your Lola Blankets.
And so if you're interested, guys, in a little bit more of an in-depth YouTube video on user-generated content, how to film high-performing content, check out my other videos. I have a ton on that. I'll drop a couple in the description. But number 2, guys, is going to be essentially a user-generated content mashup video. So this is where you're going to take multiple different people, right, and put them in a compilation video, and it's going to look something like this. I'm going to use Buttercloth as an example. So let's watch this quick.
So I got my new Buttercloth shirt. It fits great. It doesn't limit my movement. I love it. This thing is the softest, stretchiest thing ever. Buttercloth fits great, looks terrific, and on top of that, super soft material.
It's the most interesting feeling ever. It's not like a normal shirt.
This is knitted together and it gives it this amazing 6-way.
So the point here, guys, is we don't have to go through and watch this entire video, but what I want you to understand again from the number 2 type of top performing videos is basically it's user generated content, but a mashup, right? And this way you're being able to layer on social proof by utilizing multiple people and multiple claims within a single video. So once you perhaps get a great performing individual piece of UGC, maybe you have 4 or 5 of those videos, create a video combining all of the messaging and see what that looks like inside of your ad account. Because in our experience, right, user-generated content is great. A user-generated content mashup is even better. Now, number 3, guys, is going to be a founder-led ad. These are so useful. Anytime we work with a brand that has the founder involved and is open to film a video like this, we recommend it 100% of the time because this puts a face towards the brand, builds a little bit more trust, and actually has a great conversion rate oftentimes with this creative. So I'm going to play this.
Yep, I made a face cream from beef fat. People thought I was crazy until they tried it. 2 years ago, we started making our own skincare in our kitchen. Not for fun, out of necessity. Because even the natural brands were loaded with seed oils, preservatives, and hormone-disrupting fragrances, things my wife refused to put on her kids' skin. So we stripped everything back. And we rebuilt skincare from scratch, using ingredients our ancestors would recognize. Grass-fed Irish beef tallow where cattle graze on mineral-rich grass for more than 300 days a year, raw local honey, cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil, and beeswax. Our first batch sold out in days. Then the second.
Anyways, guys, we don't need to watch the whole 1 minute of this video, but what you understand here is that this is a founder-led ad. Hey, I'm so-and-so. This is why I created this brand. This is the problem that I was facing. I came up with a solution for this problem. Here's how we created it. Go ahead and shop the product, right? And so this is about building and connecting that customer journey where most people are used to shopping from faceless brands, right? An Amazon, a Walmart, even some of the e-commerce brands online, the founder is not involved or not front-facing. So oftentimes, if you have the ability to film a founder-led ad, it's going to perform extremely well. Okay, guys, now number 4 is going to be a behind-the-scenes order packaging video. This is really cool, very simple. If you have the ability to film an order packing video, it makes people feel, hey, this is like a smaller business. This is more personable. It's not like an Amazon thing where, like, you know, it just feels very disconnected. And what these videos are doing, right, same with the founder-led ad and this packaging ad, is that it's building trust, right? And that's what we're trying to do with most of this video content.
Just ordered the Victory Gold insoles for my grandson's Christmas gift. Can you pack my order? Order number 499919. Absolutely. He's gonna love these. The holiday season is our busiest time of year because Victory insoles are at the top of everyone's list. This lucky customer ordered our most popular product, the Victory Pro, and a pair of our booster straps, maximum energy, which compares to Apple.
So like they add, basically it's a compilation of all of them, right? There's a packaging aspect.
With aerospace grade carbon fiber, we're going to throw in a but lucky for them, we're going to throw in a pair of our booster straps too.
Right, packaging aspect here, hey, we're giving the customer a free gift, blah, blah, blah. But they're also utilizing a lot of UGC mashups into this and compilations. You can see, right, they have so many other clips of different people utilizing the product and educating the consumer on what they're selling. And so these sort of behind the scenes videos that you can combine with other UGCs are going to be very, very powerful, again, from a building trust aspect and from getting people to actually, you know, convert. And number 5, guys, not Five Guys Burgers, is going to be basically a product-focused UGC video, right, where you're really breaking down sort of why we went ahead and created this and like the ingredients and like, you know, a little bit more very product-focused rather than like problem or solution presenting. This is going to be like, hey, this is our product. This is what it's made out of. Here's what's inside of it. Here's why we made it, etc. I'll play the video for you guys.
Pop-Tarts, though. Pop-Tarts is where it's at. Pop-Tarts are black-owned pastries that are here to shake up your breath. They're like Pop-Tarts, but 10 times better. We've got flavors that'll blow your mind. Strawberry, chocolate raspberry, peanut butter and jelly, and maple apple cinnamon. They're plant-based, non-GMO, and made with real fruits and vegetables. That means you can eat as much as you want, guilt-free, and no flavor is sacrificed. My favorite flavor is the maple apple cinnamon Pop-Tart. And it only gets better when you get to enjoy something tasty and on the healthier side of things. Want to try all their flavors? Click the link below to grab our variety pack. It comes with 2 boxes of the strawberry flavor.
So guys, a very simple and direct video where, again, you can see, again, they have a really nice hook here. Then they're basically breaking down, hey, this is what is in the product. This is why it's better. Not only do we have all of these different flavors, but they're also non-GMO. They're real fruits and veggies. They're X, Y, and Z. They're healthy for you, right? And this is a very product-focused, user-generated content video. So I'm going to end this video off here, guys. Don't overcomplicate it. Take these 5 video types, replicate them right now. As you can see in the videos that I've presented, none of them are very high production. You can film most of these on your iPhone today and get these tested inside of your ad account this week. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, all that YouTube stuff, and I'll see you in the next one.